Let's create an elegant look with the new OSiS Products by Schwarzkopf Professional. I dump in all the hair and apply OSiS Grip Mousse. It provides strong hold, a fuller feel and heat protection up to 450 degrees. Section by section, I blow dry the hair using a round brush. Taking a large section at the front, I hold it tight and tense, curl with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron and set each section with a clip. Moving to the sides and back, I set all the curls. Gently parting the hair, I apply OSiS Texture Craft Spray to connect it all and build a solid foundation. Applying OSiS Volume Up Spray on the lens, I gently brush it with a wide tooth comb. Moving the hair towards the face, I finalize the styling. For the finishing touch, I use OSiS Elastic Hairspray, brushing the hair right away to set the desired shape and movement. What I truly love about OSiS products is that there's so much freedom to create. Easy to build and easy to change the look. Pure pleasure.